Wow!
Hello, welcome to Learning Igbo once again. I'm glad you are still there. In this video, we shall be looking at names of shapes in Igbo language. In Igbo language, shapes are called ode. And here are some of the basic shapes that you should know, beginning with Kpakpando, star. Kpakpando, star. Kpakpando, star. Okirikiri, okirikiri, circle. Okirikiri, circle. Okirikiri, circle. Triangle, triangle, that is for triangle. Triangle, triangle, triangle. Rectangle, rectangle, that is for rectangle. In Igbo it is rectangle. Square, square, that is for square in English language. In Igbo is square, square. Mkpuruobi, mkpuruobi, that is heart, heart shape. Mkpuruobi, mkpuruobi. Mpekere ọnwa, mpekere ọnwa, crescent. Mpekere ọnwa, crescent. Crescent, mpekere ọnwa. A quick review of all the shapes. Mmegharị, heart, mkpuruobi. Triangle, triangle. Triangle, triangle. Square, square. Square, square. Rectangle, rectangle. Rectangle, rectangle. Crescent, mpekere ọnwa. Crescent, mpekere ọnwa. Okirikiri, okirikiri, circle. Okirikiri, circle. Kpakpando, star. Kpakpando, star.